Hi, this is Anya Slindy, Solutions Consultant for Tobii Dynavox, and today I'm going to show you how you can link Look to Learn from Snap Software in addition to computer control. So you can change any button that you want, but I'm going to select to change a button on my dashboard. So that's where I'm going to go. I'm going to go click on Dashboard. My edit button is in the top right, the cog wheel, and I'm going to click on an empty button and name it Look to Learn. An image will pop up. If I don't like that image, I can search for a different image in here. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to stretch this out to make it just more apparent. And I'm going to change the style background to be yellow because Look to Learn is a yellow program on the desktop. Okay, I'm going to go back to content now. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to delete the action of speak message because I don't need it to say that. I'm going to add an action and I'm going to scroll all the way down until I see open or launch application. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on computer control. I'm going to go back to content, scroll down, add another action. I'm going to go launch another application from this button. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on browse for application or file. I'm going to go look for my Look to Learn software. I've actually already found it in this opening, but I'm going to go back up to the top so that you guys can follow this path. It's going to be your local disk C drive, program files, sensory software, Look to Learn, and then selection of Look to Learn. I'm going to open that up and I'm going to click done. So now when I select with touch or eye gaze this button, both Look to Learn and computer control are going to launch. Computer control as of October 2020 now has the option to do a simplified computer control with a continuous left click. So when a communication partner is assisting or assistant is using Look to Learn, what we're going to need is for them to select these items. So click on Look to Learn, click on Look to Learn. We're going to pick a game we want to play like Custard Pies and have them start. But what we also want to do is turn on continuous left click for this user. So if the user can do it, they can look past their eye tracker at the bottom of the device. It's going to bring up this menu bar. And what I want to do is turn on this continuous left click. So now anywhere I look, it's mouse emulation. So it's not even a left click. If my user can't get to that, the communication partner or assistant can click and drag their finger down past the screen. So you can kind of see my mouse. I'm clicking and dragging. It's bringing that up. We're going to click on that. I'm going to select start. And now, wherever I look, something happens, just like older eye gaze software. If I don't like that I have this circular target, I can actually turn that on. So I can have the user look down and turn off the target. So now you can't see it. Or again, to bring up that menu, you can use your finger or a mouse to click about here, like in the middle, I guess bottom quarter of the screen, click and drag down. It will bring that menu up where I can turn off and on that target right here. And then, yeah, I'm good to go. Okay. Now, something to note is when I now exit out of the game as the assistant, I'm assisting the user, and I minimize Look to Learn, for example, and I go back to SnapCore first, and we're using our communication software, and I say, okay, Jimmy, oh my gosh, what do you want to do next? It really looked like that you liked that. Do you want to go back and do some more of it?
More.
Does that sound like a good idea or a bad idea? Oh, a good idea. Great. So let's go back to our dashboard. Can you look at Look to Learn? Now, when you select this again, you can tell that Look to Learn is docked, but it's not going to start. So I click on Look to Learn. Computer control will start, but you will get this error that says application is already running. That just means it can't pull it up from the docked position. So in that case, the communication partner would click down here to unminimize it, I guess, to maximize it. And we can start this again, but that is just something to note. Hopefully that is helpful. If you have questions, please reach out to your sales consultant.